This YouTube channel earning $1,500 per month. This YouTube channel earning around the $800 per month, and this YouTube channel is earning around the $300 per month. And these are all the new YouTube channels I have showed you. So let me show you how these channels look like. So these are the copyright free music generating channels that you can easily find out on the YouTube. Just search the copyright free music and you will able to find out these channels. Some of them just started, you can check it out. This channel has only the 10,000 subscribers around, and it is earning around the $100 to the $1,000 every month within just these few much subscribers. This channel is around the 220k subscribers, and look at how much it is earning, around the $20,000 per year or $1,500 per month. And if I scroll down below, you can get the more detail inside how many views and subscribers it is growing. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you an AI tool with the help of you can also generate these kind of the stunning copyright free music, upload on your YouTube channel, grow them and start earning the money with the ads. This is the plan I am going to show you, and in this video I am going to give you an AI tool which is going to show you the path you can generate the music like this. This is the platform I am talking about, and believe me, there's the no confusion, because there are also some YouTube channel that have the already some knowledge in generating or creating the music that is engaging, but some of the channels just using the AI tools for generating these kind of this sound. Okay, so this tool name is the Mixaudio. I have already did a detailed video on my YouTube channel. You can find the link on the description to watch this video with the detailed tutorial how you can use this Mixaudio platform to generate the music. And there's also the lifetime deal going on, means you don't have to pay the monthly subscription charges, just get this lifetime deal with the $49 and you will able to get the around $200, $300, $500 per month channel within the just a few months of the launching or uploading the few videos. I'm also going to follow this plan and share the results with you in quite some time. So make sure you subscribe the channel to stay updated with this new opportunity I am sharing with you guys. In just $49 of pricing, you can get the really high pricing. But let me tell you, this is the starting price. What I suggest, go with its plan 2, because here you will get the slash music generator, means the music it is going to generate will not able to it feels like this unique to you, and also the algorithm is feels like unique. That's what it is. Slash means then you can see monetize on unlimited social media channel. In the tier 1 plan, you can just monetize one channel of the social media platform, any social media platform. It can be like Facebook, YouTube or the TikTok. But here on the plan 2, you will get the unlimited numbers of the channels you can just monetize with the Mixaudio. And there's also the AI remix downloads you will get, and certified music license, means all the music you are going to generate with the plan 2 here will get a certified music license, means somehow anyone is targeting you with something like that you have infringement their music, then you can show them license. Dude, this is the license, means this music exclusive right to me. Okay, so this is the plan to offer you. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And now let me show you how you can generate this music, okay, with the Mixaudio and upload on your YouTube channel. Start these YouTube channels like this one, AI legend no copyright music. I am certain 100% sure this channel is using AI to generate the music. I cannot hear you the sound of this music because you know this kind of the infringement I can get, but still you can just go to watch these channels and learn about it. This channel is just uploaded 12 videos and it has around 2.5k subscribers. And if I show you, you can check it out. He is earning around $300 per month, and look at the subscribers from 12 June to the 25 June. It got around 4,000 plus views every day it is getting. Okay, so you can feel yourself how much the earning potential if it is going to grow in the 1 year or 2 year. Okay, so there's this huge opportunity you can get. Now let me give you the overview. If you want a detailed video on the Mixaudio with the tutorial how to generate the music, you can watch the video on my channel. Let me show you. Just search Mixaudio review Saas guru and you will find the video easily. Okay, so this is the, okay, where's the video? Okay, don't worry, just go to my channel here and you will easily able to find the video on my channel. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about. Now let's get to the dashboard here, and this is the first feature you will get it here. Let's click on the AI BGM, and here all you need to just enter the prompt like you want to generate the music. And don't worry, if you don't know how to generate, you can ask the chat GPT, and if still not able to generate, just click here on the prompt genius. It will automatically give you the prompt. Just click on the generate and it will generate the music within the just few seconds for you according to the prompt you have entered. And boom, here's the our music. I can easily download it, I can regenerate it, I can use it, whatever the thing I want to do, I can do with this music here. Then this is the AI remix. This is the unique feature that you will only get in the tier 2 plan. You can see AI remixes. Okay, this is the feature I'm talking about. And here what it will do, it is going to remix your favorite artist music. Here you can check it out, some of the artist music, and if I select any of one, here is the option I will get to remix this music track here with my AI prompt or AI text thing. So this is the thing I want to talk about. Then this is the AI radio. Again, this feature is really good because here you will get some of the really cool radio options. If you want to launch your own radio, this is the thing. You can also do it with the Mixaudio here. And if I go to the explore section, here you will find out around more than 600k tracks that is already built with the Mixaudio. Here are some of the background music, really cool features or music you will find out to check it out as the demo and see either it's really the good taste that is AI is going to generate the music for you. Okay, so this is basically for the demo and the example purpose. So that's all for today's. If you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and right now you can get the lifetime deal, upload the generated music on with your YouTube channel and get extra cash of money every month. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.